People enjoy watching videos, and video marketing should be one thing you learn to do great. You probably have heard that YouTube is the second biggest search engine after Google. And why? It is much easier to watch a video and takes less time than to read an article or a blog post. There are all types of videos that can be effective for marketing. There also is a wide array of tools and software available to use. Some of the tools are free, and some of the software can be quite elaborate and pricey. The important thing is to get started and learn how to create simple videos at first. The key to video marketing is to be honest and provide useful information.